Hello everyone, let's talk about how to get Kick affiliate status 2026. So let me tell you guys, to unlock affiliate status and Kick, you must cumulatively stream for 5 hours, secure 75 followers, and reach an average of 75 viewers. You can complete these milestones from your mobile device using third-party apps or the native Kick Go app. So to hit the affiliate mark, you must track your metrics in the Achievements tab of your Kick dashboard. Make sure that you meet the total stream times, followers, concurrent viewers, and Stripe Connect setup. Now, while going live via mobile, now the next what you can do is use the third-party apps. For screen sharing mobile games or utilizing alerts, use third-party tools. Just download the Streamlabs or Prism Live Studio. Open one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari. Then type Kick Creator Dashboard. Now go to the website and then log into your account. Now once you're logged in your dashboard, locate the stream URL and stream key. Copy this and make sure to keep the stream key private. Now open your mobile streaming app, for example Streamlabs, and then go to account settings, then go to custom RTMP server. Now paste your stream URL and stream key into the respective fields. Just rotate your phone horizontally. Select whether you want to capture your screen or use the camera and tap Go Live. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.